I am definitely able to get the pop-up for the Victoria's Secret credit card using a shopping cart trick. I have made the video about this card plenty of times before. This is like the first one I told people about. It is very easy to get a credit card with Victoria's Secret without a hard inquiry using a shopping cart trick. You just have to follow the steps. So make sure you guys look at my main video to see how that process works, because this is a very easy credit card that you guys can get. Now, I know I'm telling you guys it's a very easy credit card that you guys can get, but definitely check out some of the comments because I have them right here. Actually, I want to show you guys the different comments. So somebody said they was able to get approved for the Victoria's Secret credit card, but now they're asking about the Kohl's card. Somebody else said they was able to get the Victoria's Secret credit card. They got a $150 limit, a $200 limit here. There's like, I'm just going to take that look. $200, funky $200. I love that comment. But definitely you're able to get it to work with the Victoria's Secret credit card. So I really like that. And a lot of people like to get these credit cards for like the different sales that's out there. When you guys have a credit card like the Victoria's Secret credit card, you guys are going to get promotions and specials in the mail when it's your birthday. You're going to get so many different promotions and discounts. So a lot of people like to get that Victoria's Secret credit card that way, and then it's without a hard inquiry. If you guys want to get an increase, if you guys got like a low limit, you like, this is nothing, it's not that much, I need more, then I want you guys to try to see if you can ask for an increase. Ask for an increase, and hopefully they're able to give you an increase. An increase is most likely based off of your income. So try to see if they can give you that increase. If they're able to give you that increase,